There are some dynamic websites like Twitter, YouTube that XPath and CSS don't work properly sometimes. In that case, you should use FullXPath. There are two methods to find FullXPath. One is using element helper. Two is right-click and inspect. Let's see the difference between XPath, CSS, and FullXPath. I want to examine this light button by reading the three selectors: XPath, CSS, and FullXPath. You can see that XPath has a most simple form. CSS and XPath are both based on class ID of the element. FullXPath displays the full path of the element from the website. How to use FullXPath selector? Just select XPath selector, and then select FullXPath in element helper. Click the element, and then paste into selector box. Now, let's see the automation. Goodbye, and see you in next lesson.